All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, like, comment, share, subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe. This is Mark Days. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, especially that orange edition, has been done to death. You can find anybody out there doing videos on it. It's like the new wave. It's the new thing that everybody's all hype about. Nothing wrong with it. I may end up doing one when they become more available in my area. But this phone right here was the most interesting to me. Now I know Floss will probably say I'm a banana head because I paid for this phone. And listen, this is some nonsense when you break it down and you think about it. Horrible battery, one camera, one speaker, low speaker. You know, you want an all-day battery, you want loudspeakers, you want dual speakers, you want, you know, a double or triple camera setup. This is just not the one. The most intriguing thing about this phone, number one, I want to use it for a work phone. Number two was the thinness of it. The thinness is what got me. When I held it in my hand at the Apple store, I instantly fell in love with it. I thought it was intriguing, and that's the reason why I copped up on this phone. Now, I don't even know if I'm going to keep it. I have to test the battery life. I have to see if it's good for me while I'm working. You know, I have to see all type of things I have to put it through. I have to check the camera and see what it is. I may end up returning it. I don't know. But as of right now, this is what I copped up on, and this is what I'm unboxing. So I'm about to check this out right here, see what it's about. But as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and at least give us something to look at for the moment, for the time being, all right? Sponsored by Coffee Mobile, by the way. So let's go ahead and bust this phone open, and at least we'll get to take a look at it. So I'm gonna tear this apart. You know how we do. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got up in the air. No pun intended. All right, y'all, this is it, man. The iPhone Air in the sky blue edition. I thought this phone was beautiful when I saw it in the Apple store. So let's check it out together, see if we all agree that it's a nice looking device. Let's see what we get in the box first. We get a box. That's about it. Oh my goodness, look at that. See, that'll smoke your boots, man. That will smoke your boots. Now, of course, the side rails are gonna be a fingerprint magnet, but I don't even care, bro. Look how thin that is. I wish I could show you. I'm shooting on my 16 Pro Max, and I got rid of my second phone that I was using for work. So I have both my lines on my 16 Pro Max right now, but I wish I could show you the size comparison, but y'all could see it out there. But man, that's a beautiful device, man. Super thin right there. All right, man, it's a beautiful device. Y'all already know what we get in the box. Much of nothing. You know what I'm saying? We get a stupid charger cable, that's it. Some fake paperwork, you know, nonsense. Get it up out of here. Nobody reads that nonsense. eSIM, you know, no SIM card slot, nothing. That's it. That's the unboxing experience, guys. That's it. That's what we got. So, all right, boom. Let's put this box here. Let's lift this up. Always save my paper in case later on I want to sell it. I save the paper on the box and I throw it back on the screen for the protection when it goes to whoever it's going to go to a year or two from now, whatever. In the meantime, we're going to turn this bad boy on. Wow. It's so thin, man. You know, this makes you just want to use it because it's so thin. It makes you just want to try it out and see what it's about and want to use it. So thin. Nothing important there. Let's dim that a little bit so we could actually see what we're doing. It's so light, like it's light in the hands, dog. Like this thing is freaking absolutely light. Like my 16 Pro Max is heavy. It is a brick. But this right here is super light. Like you could just frisbee this. This is so light. Let me finish this up. So it's signing me in, it's getting me situated with everything. I'm gonna transfer my work phone number in here. All right, there it is. Everything's all set up. So that's it. I have no clue if I'm even gonna keep it or not. I do not know. I'll give it a whirl for a couple days, see if I like it, see exactly how bad the battery is. But we'll see. But what I will say is I'm extremely impressed at how thin it is. It's a beautiful looking device, very nice looking phone. So I'm impressed with those things. And I like that dual, I think it's dual feature mode or dual camera mode, where you could see yourself and what you're filming at the same time. That was very attractive to me, as the iPhone 16 series and under doesn't have that. So that was another reason I picked this up. And I just didn't want to walk around with two Pro Maxes, like a 17 Pro Max and a 16 Pro Max. So maybe when the 17 Pro Maxes become available, I'll sell my 16 Pro Max and use that to offset the proceeds needed to get the other phone. I'll probably go with the orange, just keeping it a buck, just because it's a nice little jolly color. But that's really it, y'all. There it is. That's the unboxing, sponsored by Coffee Mobile. You know, let's get that in there. Coffee Mobile in the building. Visit coffeemobile.com if you want to sell your old tech. And this is Mark Days. It's been my pleasure to speak to y'all and chat with y'all again. You know, if I end up copping the 17 Pro Max, you know you're getting unboxing. I appreciate y'all. God bless. Peace be unto you. And y'all stay safe out there. Peace. Oh, also make sure you're following me on all platforms: LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, at The Real Mark Days, at The Real Mark Days, all spelled out, at TheRealMarkDays, at The Real Mark Days. Reach out to me, follow me. Make sure you're subscribing. Make sure you like, leave a comment. God bless. Peace be unto you. We're out.